In this video, we'll cover the top 5 features to look for in automotive repair software. First and most importantly, make sure your software provides updated, unedited OEM repair data, the same information dealerships use. This will ensure accuracy and reduce liability. All Data Repair provides instant access to OEM repair information for over 44,000 engine-specific models. That's 95% of all vehicles on the road today. Benefits include accurate repairs, reduced liability and fewer comebacks, updated information including new vehicle technology, and support for technicians at all skill levels. Second, you'll want to look for a platform that offers quick, easy access to critical information. All Data Repair provides specifications, quick reference to put shops' most used specifications and procedures in one easy-to-access place, while All Data's award-winning ADAS Quick Reference provides the latest ADAS information direct from the OEMs. Both help save time and reduce interruptions to your workflow. Third, look for seamless integration with shop management systems for easy parts and labor lookup. Having the ability to add items directly from the repair database helps keep estimates precise and speeds up the workflow. Benefits include greater efficiency across teams and reduced research time on procedures in repair documents. Fourth, look for advanced diagnostic solutions and information to streamline troubleshooting and reduce guesswork. All Data helps solve your shop's toughest repair challenges by providing fast diagnostic assistance from All Data Tech Assist, an in-house hotline staffed by on-demand ASE-certified master technicians, as well as OEM direct diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, diagnostics procedures, and probable cause data. Benefits include accurate, consistent repair work for repairs fixed right the first time, and significant time savings spent diagnosing repairs. Fifth, mobile access means the freedom to work anywhere, anytime, from any device. All Data Repair and All Data Mobile allow technicians and service advisors to start check-ins right at the vehicle with access to OEM repair procedures, wiring diagrams, and more. Benefits include a connected shop workflow from desktop to tablet to phones, and instant sharing of new customer and vehicle info and inspections with the team. Ready to get started? All Data Repair provides a free 7-day trial including All Data Repair, award-winning ADAS Quick Reference, 300,000 plus interactive color wiring diagrams, as well as All Data Estimator, mobile inspections, and shop manager. Just visit alldata.com/us/en free trial for your 7-day free trial.